Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Flinks, which is, does Flinks work with both individuals and businesses? The straight answer is yes. Flinks technology acts as a financial data layer, primarily enabling businesses to connect with their customers' financial accounts. Here is how it works. Flinks is a business-to-business, or B2B, service. Their clients are companies, like fintechs, lenders, digital banks, and wealth managers. These businesses use Flinks API and platform to access the financial data of their own customers. This means the end users who are connecting their bank accounts through Flinks are both individuals and businesses. For individuals, Flinks helps power services like quick loan approvals, faster account opening, and personalized finance apps. For businesses, particularly small to medium businesses or SMBs, Flinks supports features like automated bookkeeping, streamlined commercial loan applications, and easier account funding. Flinks provides industry-leading coverage of financial institutions across both retail, which is for individuals, and business banking in the US and Canada. Their platform is used to securely connect to these accounts, enrich the data with insights for things like credit risk profiling and income validation, and ultimately deliver better digital products to a wide range of consumers and companies. So, while Flinks directly serves businesses, its platform is built to facilitate secure, consent-based financial data sharing for both individuals and businesses who are customers of those client companies. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.